In a world filled with distractions and noise, it can be difficult to focus on what truly matters. That's why many people are turning to monk mode, a period of time dedicated to focusing on personal growth, self-improvement, and mindful living. But what is monk mode exactly? At its core, it's a commitment to minimalism, discipline, and intentional living. It's about cutting out the noise and distractions of modern life to focus on what really matters. So how do you start a monk mode? First, simplify your environment. Get rid of anything that doesn't serve a purpose or bring you joy. Create a space that is calm, clutter-free, and conducive to mindfulness. Second, cultivate a daily meditation practice. Meditation can help you stay focused, reduce stress, and cultivate inner peace. Start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. Third, commit to learning and personal growth. Read books, listen to podcasts, and take online courses on topics that interest you. Use this time to deepen your knowledge and expand your horizons. Fourth, take care of your body. Exercise regularly, eat healthy, and get enough sleep. A healthy body is essential for a healthy mind. Finally, disconnect from technology. Put your phone away, turn off your computer, and limit your social media use. Use this time to be present in the moment and connect with the world around you. By simplifying your environment, cultivating mindfulness, committing to personal growth, taking care of your body, and disconnecting from technology, you can create a monk mode that will change your life. Take the time to focus on what really matters, and you'll be amazed at the positive changes that can occur in your life. Start your monk mode today. It's important to set specific goals for your monk mode. What do you want to achieve during this time? Whether it's learning a new skill, starting a new hobby, or working on personal growth, having clear goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Monk mode doesn't have to be a long-term commitment. It can be a short-term period of focus, such as a week or a month, that can help you kickstart a new habit or project. Don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. It's natural to experience setbacks and distractions, but the key is to get back on track and keep moving forward. Use your monk mode as a time to reflect on your values and priorities. What truly matters to you? How can you align your actions with your values? Embrace solitude and learn to enjoy your own company. Spending time alone can be a valuable opportunity for self-discovery and introspection. Use your newfound clarity and focus to make positive changes in your life. Whether it's adopting a new habit, letting go of negative relationships, or pursuing a new career path, use your monk mode to create a roadmap for the future. Remember that monk mode is a personal journey, and what works for one person may not work for another. Find what works for you and adapt your approach as needed.